Hello, how are you doing today? It's an exciting day today because I'm going to unbox with you guys the haul I have had when I went to Cabazon Outlet. I do have my favorite shoe store, which is the Bass, and then the Gucci one, my first ever Gucci. So check this out. Hello my wonderful people, how are you doing today? Today we're going to unbox my Cabazon Outlet haul that I did last week, and I really wanted to show you this because I'm really excited because this one is my first Gucci. Imagine that is my first Gucci. I'm kind of like deviating from Louis Vuitton to now I'm going to go with Gucci. Let's see what I have and what I got from there. Anyways, the first one, this is my go-to. This is from Bass, GH Bass and Company. I have had the shoes with them. This is my old shoes. I'm sorry for that, for the looks of it. This one is 3 years old and it's still good, I think. So yeah, this is I bought this one 3 years ago, and then and it lasted for a long time, so which is really nice. So now I bought two of this one. There you go. So this one and that. Two shoes that I've got. I will show this to you. The good thing about this one is that I know for a fact that it will last for a long time. The quality of it is really good, and I really recommend this one for you guys. It's about because it's an outlet area. It was the retail price of this one is $150, but I only got this one for $69, about probably 50-60% off, so which is really nice. It's really a good deal. And then so what I've got is the same thing that I showed you, the old one. So this is the one. I really like this because this one is just a simple loafers from Bass. This product is proudly features our genuine hand-sewn moccasins construction. So this is the shoes. There you go. It's really nice because, and then if you're going to feel this one inside, it's so comfortable because there's a cushiony kind of like type of thing inside that it's really comfortable. And then the good thing about this one is that the sole of it, it's a non-skid type of thing. It's kind of like a really good grip and traction when you walk, so it's not going to slide. So that's why I really like it, and it's black, so it goes with it's gonna be my work shoes. So that's that. The second one I got here is, it's almost the same price as the other one, and I didn't really deviate from the style of the black one, and then this one is the brown one. It's nice. It's really nice. I kind of really like it because I really want it to be a simple one, and then at the same time it's kind of like a cushiony inside, and then the traction on this one is good. So if you're going to look at that, so which is really nice. And yeah, it's almost the same price as the other one. This one is $150. Retail price of this one is $150, but it's only like, I got this one for about $69 plus tax. So how much is that gonna be? I don't know, I'm not good with math, but probably like 70% off for that. So which is really nice, right? So this is my shoes. This one, everything is shoes, I think. So the next one I have is my favorite one. I'm so excited about this one. Can you tell? I'm so excited. Anyway, I really want this one a lot. So I got a This is my first one. I'm so excited about it. Ta-da! My first ever Gucci shoes. Everything is shoes. This is a shoe haul. So this one, I'm gonna show it to you guys, and then, so I'm gonna open this. I saw this one time already, when at the store. So this one, it's called Nero, Road Nero. That's the information about it. It's about $360. So the retail price of this one probably $700, $600. So I saved like 50% off, which is really good. I'm telling you the prices not because I'm bragging about that one or anything, but I just wanted you to know that it's a really discounted item, so which is really nice. If you want to go to Gucci at the outlet store in Cabazon, you can really have this for half a price. So what are you waiting for on that one, right? So it's a really good deal. That's why I'm telling you all the prices. Anyway, so there's the dust bag. There's this tissue papers, and the only thing, it's kind of like, I saw a lot of unboxing of other people about Gucci and stuff like that. But this one is kind of like tacky a little bit. I'm so sorry about this because the lady didn't really pack it nicely, I think. And it's still in the plastic. So it's not really a appealing to look at. So I will give them probably 3 out of 5 for the looks of it, for the presentation of it, because ta-da, this is it. It's kind of like, what is that, you know? So that's the only thing. But look at this one. Look what I got. So in the bag, in the box, we do have the satin type of Gucci dust bag. So there's the Gucci one, and it feels so soft. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can just use this one as my towel. No, I'm just kidding about that one. So that's that. And then there's a drawstring on this one. There's 2 that you'll get, 1 for each. And then you do have a lot of papers and tissue papers, a lot of it. And this is the shoes. I just picked a really sorry about this one because it's on a plastic. This one is what I have gotten. I will show it to you. It's really nice. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. It's almost the same as what I have had showed you from Bass. So that's the side view of it. And then that's the sole of that. And then there's the Gucci, made in Italy. And then it's really soft inside. If you can wear it, if you can feel what I'm feeling right now. And then look at that. I really like this horse bit. They call it horse bit, I think. So it's in a silver hardware, and it's in black. And then there's the back. And then I'm going to give you a mod shots of this one, because it's a really nice one. So I really love it. I use this one. Definitely I'm going to use this one for going out, casual or semi-formal, formal. I can use this one. And then all this one, the other 2 from Bass, I'm going to use this one for work, for casual, semi-casual type of thing. So those are the things that I'm going to use this one for. So that's that. That's my shoe haul. And then I think there's another one inside. So let's check this out. Since I'm already there, I'm so bad. Since I'm already there, I bought, and then this one, it does have the Gucci receipt. And this one is not really impressive at all too, because it's just a piece of paper. So it's kind of like, that's it. It's not like as fancy as the other ones that you would expect for a luxury item like Gucci. But anyway, I think there's another. I think there's more inside. So let's check this out. So since I'm already there, I bought this one. Look at this dust bag. This is kind of like a really soft satin dust bag with a black strings on top. So that's really nice. And then look at the case of this one. It's like suede, which is, oh, this is how luxury feels like. Anyway, and then what I got is, inspect it first. There you go. There's the sunnies I got from them. So in here, in the Gucci eyeglasses case, I do have the, what is this one? This one, there you go, there's that. This is the, I think this is the how you carry it, how you care for it, certification de certifico de autentico type of thing. So this is an authentic one. And then there's this one, and then it's soft too. Oh my goodness. To clean the this is the eyeglass cleaner type of thing. And this is the sunny that I got, so I'm gonna wear it right now. You see that? You feel me, baby? So this is really cool. I'm gonna show it to you up close. There you go. It's a subtle Gucci on top, and then the one on the side, it does have the gold hardware, and then there's gold and silver. It's a mix. And then there's a Gucci on here, and then on the other side too. Sorry about that because my hand is shaky. And then inside you will see, I don't know if you're gonna see that, but here it says here the code number of it, and then here it says made in Italy right there. And then the GG code, GG in here and then there. So yeah, and then in front it's a gold and silver hardware in there. So this is the looks of it. So it's really sunny outside right now. So I hope you like my shoe haul and my first Gucci Gucci's, I should say, my haul from Gucci and my Cabazon outlet haul, and I hope that you like this one. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching all the way until the end. I owe you a lot. I love you all, and thank you very much for watching. This is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye. Do what makes you happy. Bye. Bye.